In this video, you will learn about object properties. You will know about the properties window, you will also learn about changing properties and much more, so please like and subscribe because this video will surely help out and the upcoming videos will help out with development. So anyways, let's start. Properties control how objects look and function. Each object in Roblox Studio has its own set of properties. For example, a part object has properties for color, size, and shape. Properties can be changed using the Roblox Studio interface or through scripts. To learn about properties, you'll explore common properties found in parts and then write a script to change part colors. Many of an object's properties are shown in the Properties window. Select a part. Scroll through the Properties window on the bottom right. If you don't see the window, go to the View tab and click the Properties button. The script will use code to change the color of a part at the start of the game. Since this is a practice script, it can be used in any simple template, such as the base plate or flat terrain. In a new project, select an existing part or create a new one. Rename the part Practice Part. In Server Script Service, create a new script named Change Color. In the script, delete the Hello World line. Then, write a comment by typing and then including a brief description of what the script will do. To make changes to any part using code, the script first needs to know which part to work with. Use the Explorer to find the part's location. In this case, Practice Part is under Workspace. The specific path to find this part, such as Workspace to Practice Part, needs to be translated into something a script can understand. Under the comment, type Game. This gives you access to the workspace. Use dots to separate words. On the same line, type dot followed by workspace, the location of the part. Finish it by typing another dot and the name of your part. To change the color of the part, you'll use an RGB value. Computers use RGB values, the combination of red, green, and blue, to create all the colors on your screen. RGB values use three numbers from 0 to 255, separated by commas. For example, black is 0, 0, 0, while white is 255, 255, 255. For the part, the script will change its color property to a new color3, a data type that stores colors. After Practice Part, type .color to access the color property. Continue by typing == allowing you to set that color to something new. Then, set it to color3.from. That will allow you to create a new color. While colors can be manually typed inside the parentheses, it's easier to use a color picker. Click inside the parentheses and then click the color wheel. Follow the pop-up to create a color. Your code should look like below, but may have a different RGB